Do you know, many people have already made millions or even tens of millions of dollars through YouTube. They can achieve this without shooting a video, and they will not be restricted by the venue. In this video, I am going to share with you how to achieve such a thing. After you watch this video, you will know how to do. This channel is to introduce cutting-edge ideas, methods of online entrepreneurship and investment. If you are interested in this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel. Press that bell, and you will not miss any video updates. And now, is what I want to share with you. Look at this channel, he can make more than $1,000 by a single video, and that is amazing. I'll show you the calculation later. As you can see, he only has 30 videos uploaded, but there are already more than 300,000 subscriptions. Now, we sort the videos on the homepage of this channel, according to their popularity. The most popular video has received more than 23 million views. Other popular videos have more than 1 million views. So, how much income can this video generate? You know, YouTube give you about $1 to $5 every 1,000 views in average, depends on topic. 1 million views may have generated $1,000 to $5,000 in revenue. Let's take the bottom line, say $1,000 every 1 million views. Doing the math, the advertising revenue his video can get are $1,000 multiplied by 23.22 million views. This is the result. A single video can bring in $23,200 in revenue. Incredible. His income is not limited to this one video, other videos also have good results. Let's see what content is played in this most popular video. It talks about the changes in the most subscribed channels of all YouTubers from 2011 to 2018. These data were not difficult to find. He presents these data to everyone in a relatively novel way. He doesn't need to shoot a video or even say a word, still he can got this achievement. I believe most of you can do it too. Here is another example. This is a channel that provides top 10 contents. This channel has an amazing number of subscriptions of 6.61 million. He collects interesting and relevant materials through various channels, and make it into a video that attracts people. You can get some ideas by watching them, then create a channel similar to him. On average, each of his videos has about 50,000 views. He updates very frequently, posting 2 to 3 videos every day. Because there are thousands of materials on the internet, you can publish them after proper editing, so his update frequency will be much faster than those channels that need scripts. He can post 15 to 20 videos every week. Calculate the number of views and pay per 1,000 views. This channel also has a very decent income. You want to make a video similar to it, the method is very simple, not as complicated as imagined. For example, if you also want to make a top 10 content, you can search for related words on YouTube. Then you will see a series of videos related to top 10. Because of copyright issues, it's not that you can use every video. You can select videos that provide Creative Commons in the filter those publishers chose to share the videos. You can use and edit all the videos here. Make them into a new video under certain copyright issues. For example, if you search for top 10 games, you will get gaming videos on many heat topics. You can put together the interesting plots, for example, Game A, Game B and Game C, and make a top 10 video about the most interesting gaming moment. So, the two most frequently asked questions are, number 1, more and more people know about this method, and the materials are getting harder to find. What should I do to make differentiated and competitive content? Number 2, there are already so many videos with different content. How do I find inspiration to make a compelling video? Don't worry, I will show you the solutions. You think editing materials are hard to find? Let's think about, maybe it's just that there are fewer related videos in your language. What will happen if I search in another language? Now we are speaking in English, but you can try to search videos in German, French, even Chinese, and Japanese. Google Translate has helped us a lot. You can translate text into any language in the world. Then you put the translated text on YouTube and search, you will find many more options. You can collect these videos and start editing your video. Besides English, the most spoken language is Chinese, followed by Spanish. We can also try to search for corresponding content in Chinese. For example, we search for the most fun games. We first translate the words into Chinese on Google Translate, then put this keyword in the YouTube search bar. Remember, you also need to filter out those not Creative Commons videos. Even you don't understand the language, you can guess what it is by looking at the thumbnail. After that, you use those contents in English, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, or other languages, put together and editing your own video. Okay, the next problem is that I can find materials by searching for videos in different languages. But what subject should I do? How to discover creativity. Now I tell you how to collect your inspiration through keywords. The easiest way is in the YouTube search bar. Put the keywords you are interested in, and you can see the most searched keywords recently. For example, if we still search for top 10, you can see the high search volume keywords associated with the top 10s. This is the easiest way. Besides, there is a free and powerful keyword website called Keyword Tool. You can search for contents on Google, YouTube, Amazon, eBay. You can also specify the language. This time we choose Global English. We use top 10 as mentioned above as an example, and search it on YouTube. Then we got 483 relevant results. These keywords are diverse and you can get some inspiration from them. Find a topic that interests you, then go to YouTube and find the videos, integrate it into your work. For now, we come back to this channel. He is a prolific YouTuber. 20 videos have been posted this week. The average number of views is about 50,000, therefore he got at least 1 million views in a week, and that equals to $1,000. Of course, advertising fees for YouTube may not be as profitable as before. And the fee depends on topics and region of users. But no need to worry about it, as long as you have traffic, it means that others are paying attention to you, and that generates value. Like Uber, they matching car owners and passengers. They also provide takeaway services and help restaurants and customers match each other. Although they do not sell real products, they have huge traffic, these make profits, and you can do the same. But you have to act now and start making your first video. So that's it. If you want to know more about online entrepreneurship, investment, and financial management, please subscribe to follow my channel. See you next time.